Right, hello all. It's that time again. Time for another unboxing. This just arrived, and as you can see, I've been stung by customs again. Anyway, let's get this open and see what's in here. Okay, they've really bagged this up well. Okay, I know health and safety, but it's not a health and safety video. Okay, so I'm just going to cut this. Here. Digital portable radio. Okay, so let's open this up. A little heavy. Okay, let's see what we've got in here. Okay. And it doesn't seem to have much light here, so I'm just going to turn the camera light on. There we go. Right. Yeah, business card. Okay. Multi-mode network digital trunking radio. Okay. And another one. Okay, let's see what we've got. Oh, nice. Programming cable again. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's because I'm getting them directly from the manufacturer that they're giving me these programming cables. Which makes me think that when you buy these from a retailer, you normally have to pay extra for the programming cable. I wonder if they're trying to... the resellers are trying to sting us on that one, because so far all the ones I've got come with a programming cable. Anyway, what else do we have? We have the belt clip. Oh, radio won't be much use without the antenna. Little charge adapter. Little lanyard. Charging base. Battery. And a radio. Anything else? Nope. Let's get to this. So, let's have a look here. Right. Battery. Usual style. Okay, this is the radio. And what do we have here? We have a little screen protector. I don't see the model number on here. Now I sure can look through my order, but I will put that on the title of the video once I've looked at that. Okay, that's it, on and off. It's quite firm, but not too bad. Indicator for, not too sure what that is. Obviously, because I haven't looked at the book. Usable connector there, and plus or minus. Okay, so let's get the radio fired up. Let's put these on there. Okay. Okay, do not short, the usual. Lithium ion, 200 milliamp hours. Okay. That's a slide and click, as usual. Okay. Let's have a look. Digital dual mode multi-band radio. Oh, Okay, that's a nice screen. Chinese again, just like the last one. So what have we got here? That's VFO. Channel. Must be channel name in Chinese. Did you correct that? Oh, it's a call. That must be the digital side of things. There's a contact in there. Not too sure who that is. Then we have menu. How do you get to the menu? Must be that one. Ah, right. So there's contacts, messages, scan logs, scan, settings. Okay, so let's have a look at each one of them then. If we have contacts, new contacts, contact list and DMR ID. Let's go back. Message, quick text, that'll be for DMR. Call logs, incoming, outgoing, missed, okay. Scan on, off, oh, it's got a scan list. It's only got one channel in there. What else do we have? Settings. It's got an FM radio. Oops. FM radio. Alright, okay. Back. Digital monitor. Radio set. Oh, right, okay. Sound display, power level, zones, language, Vox, mic gain, power save. Okay. Next we have a program. Okay, you can edit the channels, VFO. A new one, okay. View. Alright, okay. And what else you got? Oh, we can edit channels. I mean the buttons, sorry. Alright, okay, so the buttons have SK1 short press or long press. So if you do a short press, yeah, right, okay, the short press is currently set to squelch on. Long press, that's currently set to nothing. Set it to all these, I'm guessing, yeah. Okay, seems to be quite a few things in this little tiny radio. Back. Okay, got radio info, it's just the radio's ID. Firmware version. What else do we have? Back to the FM radio again. Okay, let's just try the FM radio then. Put some volume on it.
You're gonna read something for us.
I don't even call it a poem, I call it moments.
Programming it directly, let's have a look. Okay. Right, interesting little radio. It actually feels quite nice to the touch. Yeah, just need to sort out the language. Oh no, it's obviously it must be in English. That's just Chinese characters for that channel. So if I go into here, settings maybe, program, edit channel, channel list. All right, okay. Loads of different channel lists. So I'll probably have to go into edit Channel type. Oh, right, okay. Digital analog. Oh, mixed. A mixed channel. Channel areas, color, group contacts, and grouped. Okay, so this radio looks... I actually like the feel of this one. Yeah, I do. I really do like the feel of this radio. What happens if I push VM again? Oh yeah, it switches. Okay, well, the next thing I'll be doing is finding out where I can get the software and plug this in and see what you can do via the computer, because I found that some of them it's a much more pleasant experience to program it via the computer, although my UV5R, once I got used to how the menu system on the radio worked, I don't mind doing it via the keyboard or via the keypad, or via chirp. Chirp is quicker when you want to do a bulk, but if it's just one or two, then you just do it through the keyboard. Anyway, that's my new radio. So, as I say, I'll be putting the description in the title once I work out what this one's actually called, and I will get back to you guys. So, have a good one. 7 threes.